A very warm namaste from India. I'm Dr. Sunita Singh, and I'm very thankful to the organizers of first international symposium on api-phyto-aromatherapy for giving me this opportunity. And I'm very glad that I got this platform. And the theme, which is practical highlights of api-phyto-aromatherapy in psychophysical trauma, is very apt in this chaotic life which we all are going through, and everyone is living a very stressful life. Either it is the pressure of their professional work, or their having a lack of personal space, or not giving proper time to their family, or due to this work life imbalance. So that's why I have chosen this topic, uh, aromatherapy beyond fragrances, role in stress management. These two terms, aromatherapy and stress, is I can say we are a little bit familiar about this. Aromatherapy, we generally relate to the spas and massages uh, uh, come to our mind. And stress, we all know about the stress and different types of stressors in our life. So the topic why I have chosen this topic, because we know about these essential oils to a very limited zone, or we can say we do, although in recent years, scientific community has explored the different therapeutic properties of essential oils, but this aromatherapy has come to as a surprise thing, and it is used as a complementary medicine system in various countries, and it is being used with the association with for palliative care, as well as in various treatment, although like where these pain or stress like thing occurs. So these aromatherapy comes as a relaxant like thing. The results are not very, we can say, surprising or very impactful, but yes, it can be explored further, and it can be further supported with different types of clinical trials. These are some of the papers which have been recently published in on the topic aromatherapy, and how they are the effectiveness of aromatherapy in massage and stress management in nurses. It has been published in Journal of Clinical Nursing, as well as how these aromatherapy essential oils can affect the stress, sleep quality, and immunity in healthy adults. It has been published in European Journal of Integrative Medicine. So this slide is to show to open your eyes, or to give an insight how these aromatherapy is now being used, apart from their basic role of giving spa and massages, and we love different type of fragrances, and we automatically relate these fragrances to aromatherapy. And I have also mentioned about some of the case studies in my presentation also. And I would like to mention why I love this essential oil like thing, because I did my PhD on essential oils of spices, and but I haven't touched this type of work in my PhD. My work is limited to the antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of essential oils, and we have also checked the food preservative properties of essential oils. But yeah, but at that time also, I always used to think essential oils can be explored for other activities also, and I have seen uh, many. Papers now are focusing on different types of therapeutic properties. And I'm very glad, like I have also joined a platform which is International Clinical Aromatherapy Network, where uh, I can say, aromatherapists having a different and vast experience in their clinical journey, and how they have used aromatherapy in various clinical treatment and got very good results. And I have seen various papers also, and various I can say reported work on how these aromatherapy is combined with palliative care to provide better treatment to the different patients who are in the very last stages of different type of diseases. So aromatherapy, I can say, what is aromatherapy? The practice of using the natural oils extracted from flowers, bark, stems, leaves, roots, or other parts of plant to enhance psychological and physical well-being, a form of alternative medicine, and it is inhaled aroma from these essential oils is widely believed to stimulate the function. So the basic function of this aromatherapy is to provide the fragrance-like thing to stimulate our brain function or to cognitive system of our body. But as aromatherapy comes with a word aroma and therapy, aroma means fragrance, and that's why it become a alternative medicine in I can say in last 10 to 15 years, where people found very positive results when they have combined these aromatherapy different techniques with the conventional medicine system. The history of aromatherapy is around 6,000 years old, and it is being mentioned in various literature of Greece, Rome, and Egypt also. In modern era, the term is coined in 1928 from the French term aromatherapy by a French chemist René Maurice Cattefossé, and it discovered the healing properties of essential plants, and it has been used in World War First and World War Second, and it shows that these aromatherapy has a roots from very beginning. I can say we can't say like it is a very new thing, but yeah, at that time it has not been very popularized or people don't aware. People are not aware of this thing very much. Aroma, fragrance, smell, or scent, and therapies means treatment. The use of essential oils in holistic healing to improve health and emotional well-being, and in restoring balance to the body is known as aromatherapy. And they are generally used to alter the mood, cognitive, and psychological well-being. So the impact of these aromatherapy is on this horizon, like mood, cognitive, senses, and psychological well-being. What is stress? Oh, we all know about the stress, but yes, the the stress is a psychological and physiological imbalance caused due to demanding circumstances and the individual's ability to meet to those needs. And to meeting these needs, we used to cope up with this stress by different things. We start using different types of smoking. We use alcohols to get rid of this type of stress, although it doesn't uh, make anything less, and stress remains the same. Yeah, but for the moment we assume like we have de-stress that thing. And this animation is also showing how things are getting bad and bad for this lady, and ultimately she go off. There are different types of stressors. There are different types of stressors in our life. Stressor is the stimuli proceeding or precipitating a change. It may be internal or external. It may be internal in the form of fear or guilt, or external trauma or peer pressure. Stressors like school, work, family, relationship, legal, finances, health, illness, environment, living situation, all these things are stressors for life, and which and we can't say we can delete any of this stressor. Yeah, we can minimize or we can manage all these things very better to reduce the stress. Everything is connected. Yeah. Individual exposed to chronic stressors can exhibit immune dysregulation that may be persistent and severe. Yeah, we can think like stress like thing is a very psyche type thing and it is related to only mental health. Yeah, but more at all is connected this stress like thing with our immune system also. So, conversely, certain psychological or physiological disorders can influence the development of psychosomatic disease. These include, for example, stomach ulcers, migraines, hypertension, eating disorders, or insomnia. Yeah. So, these are some of the, yeah. I was telling about the how these uh, stress-like thing is show or have an effect on other aspects or other physiological activities of our body, and these include different type of stomach ulcers, migraine, hypertension, eating disorders, or insomnia. So these are also focus of these are also related to the stress. So for this we have different types of effective stress management techniques, which contains different short-term strategies, which include meditation, progress, focused breathing, nature walk. Long-term strategies include having a balanced diet, positive self-talk, yoga. Fast-acting strategies uh, include this. We can see like aromatherapy is also given in this fast-acting strategy. So fast acting strategies are like which can give a very good result in a very less time. And if we follow or if we do this thing in a regular basis, we have a very better results for this stress management thing. How aromatherapy can help in stress management? Generally, the usage of essential oils can be done aromatically, internally, or topically. Aromatically, we can have a have a fragrance through inhalation or internally, and topically through the skin, we can like massage like thing had been done. So these are the I can say the pathways how these essential oils can be used can use usually used in this aromatherapy, aromatically, internally, and topically. These are some of the mode how these aromatherapy work, like inhalations, the use of essential oils, using different types of compressors, and we have a bath where we can use different types of oil in the water and then have a essence of that oil, and diffusers, massagers, facial steams. All these are the different we can say different techniques or different pathways of using essential oils in aromatherapy. Uh, if we want to see the mechanism how they work, like via skin, when the lipophilic due to the lipophilic nature of essential oil, they easily penetrate into the skin, and through skin they go to the subcutaneous layer, and through subcutaneous layer it goes to lymph and then lymph vessels, and through vein it goes to the systemic circulation of our body. And when we do this thing via nose, it goes to nose to cilia, then it creates cilia to receptors, and receptors create impulse, and impulse to olfactory lobe to limbic system, and it generates different types of response. And this limbic system controls mood, emotions, memory, or learning capabilities. And this action impulse generated by aroma acts on limbic system, and limbic system is response alter the mood, emotion, or learning capability. These are some of the essential oils that has been mentioned in different literature, which I have compiled and given here. Lavender, it has calming and stress relief properties. Lavender, chamomile, eucalyptus, rose, rosemary, tea tree, peppermint, cinnamon, orange, vanilla, sage, jasmine, star anise, lemon, and cucumber. So all these essential oils showed very are frequently used in aromatherapy for the stress management. These are some of the case studies that has been done in recent years using this aromatherapy for stress management. This is the paper Effect of Aromatherapy on the Physical and Mental Health Pressure of the Middle-Aged and Elderly in the Community. And it is found that the obtained data were analyzed using descriptive statistics by impaired sample t-test. It was concluded that aromatherapy can improve the physical and mental health of the elderly in the community and can significantly reduce stress. So this show a positive result for using aromatherapy on the middle-aged and elderly community. And this is one more paper, the aromatherapy formulation of essential oils in reducing stress and blood pressure on human, in which they have used essential oil formulation, and the results showed that application of aromatherapy formulation reduced systolic pressure by 8.5 mmHg and diastolic pressure by 1.2 mmHg. Most of the respondents considered that the aroma of formulated essential oil has a refreshing and calming effect on their mind. These antidepressant effects are mainly due to benzylcinnamide, geraniol, linalool, myristicin. All these are the important components of different essential oils. This is one more paper, Aromatherapy in the Control of Stress and Anxiety, and it showed that in the aromatherapy assay, the aroma group showed a significant decrease of 12 to 30% in stress levels, and in the control group, the decrease was very lower. Uh, Although everything looks very smoothie and good for essential oil and the role of aromatherapy in stress, but yes, before going to any type of or making any type of conceptions about aromatherapy, there are some safety measures or concerns which should be which can't be overlooked. Like they should never be used directly because some oils may irritate sensitive skin or cause photosensitivity. They should be blended with a proper proportion of carrier oils. They should be stored in a cool place. Take out a patch test before applying. Must not be taken orally as they irritate mucous membrane. Due to concentrated and potency of pure essential oil, dilution in a carrier oils is recommended. So these are some of the safety, we can say safety measures before doing any type of uh, any type of application, because aromatherapy, yeah, it is natural, but it should be supported with it should be supported with facts. And that's why more clinical trials are needed to give a very, we can say, a strong background for using aromatherapy for any type of management, either when we are using in palliative care or any other thing. So this is from my side. So this is from my side. Thank you very much for your time, and I love to give your I love to have your feedback on my this topic. And sorry for some interruptions as I have very young kids, and it is sometimes it is a type of stressor for me for some time. Yeah, but they are like stress buster for me also. So thank you so much, and yeah, these are some of my references. And thank you so much for your time. And I once again congratulate the organizers of this symposium for having such a very relevant topic and giving me this opportunity to share my views with all of you. And special thanks to Professor Stephen, who always gives me chance and it is my second conference. So thank you very much.